breaks before the sky turns gold. Still beneath these weathered hands I hold. Every mile writes another page. Freedom is my only stage. Through the mud and mountain stone, every road has been my home. Dust is rising with the dawn, still I keep on rolling on. Storms may come and rivers rise, I keep chasing open skies. I'm driving on, I won't slow down. Through every road, through every town, mud and mountains, rain and snow, where the wildest engines go. Every sunrise fuels my soul, every mile becomes my goal. I was born to ride this way till the ending of my days. Every challenge never fails. Heavy wheels and roaring sound, shaking every inch of ground. Brothers waiting down the line, sharing coffee before daylight. Life is hard, but hearts stay strong. The open road is where I belong. Yet the highway calls me on. I'm driving on, I won't slow down. Nothing's gonna turn me around. Mountains high and rivers wide, my monster truck is filled with pride. Every mile becomes a song. This is where I still belong. page. Freedom is my only stage. Through the mud and mountain stone, every road has been my home. Dust is rising with the dawn, still I keep on